You guys, how are you guys doing? We thank the Lord for yet another opportunity to be in the comfort of our home, right in our kitchen. Do you want to learn how to make croissant? Let's go there. So let's get into the croissant proper. So for our croissant today, the first thing that we need to do is get your butter blocked and chilled in the freezer. Let it be in the freezer and have another butter in the room temperature. This is necessary for your mixing. So all-purpose flour. So you are using your all-purpose flour. You're using sugar, yeast, salt, milk, and egg. So the first thing is the all-purpose flour, the butter, the milk, the sugar, and the baking powder. Sorry, your yeast, not baking powder. The yeast and salt go into your mixing bowl, and don't forget your water. So we're going to be pouring all this in our mixing bowl. So I'm pouring my flour into the mixing bowl. This is 120 gram of all-purpose flour. So I'm pouring in my sugar and my salt first, so that my sugar can go on top. My salt is tablespoon, one tablespoon of salt, and I'm having 200 and 240 gram of sugar. I'm pouring in my yeast, two tablespoons of yeast. My butter goes in, 240 gram of butter. Now my milk goes in, 220 gram of full milk. Now I'm going to be adding in my water. So I'm not going to add in all at a time. The water is 240 grams, so I'm not adding it all at a time. So I'll allow it to knead on the lowest of our mixer. So I'm adding in the rest of my water. I'm giving you the accurate measurement of the water and every other ingredient that I use. So in case your flour is soft, you will have to reduce your water. It's ready to be packed now, so it's well mixed. So we're going to allow it to rest for 30 minutes. So I'm just going to remove my mixing teeth. So I'm going to allow it to rest for 30 minutes. Now we've allowed it to rest for 40 minutes. So we're going to pack it up and put it in our bowl. So it has rested Now we're going to be rolling it out. You can use your flour. So I'm going to be adding my rolled chilled butter. So cover it up. Up. I'm going to rub my surface. I need my surface. So I'm going to roll it out. So I'm going to fold this half and fold this also, and I'll turn it to so all is flattened and on the same size. So now I'm going to be trimming. You can use a ruler, but because I don't have a ruler, I'll be improvising with my spatula. Okay. So I'm cutting it into half. And I'm going to be cutting this. So you can use a ruler. Just a centimeter. Like this. Okay. I cut this way. I'm cutting it to get the square. The square shape. I'm going to take it out. So we're going to be folding now. Folding it up into my baking pan where it can rest. So we're folding another. So it's risen a little bit. So what we're going to do now is time for us to break in our egg. And we're using a spoon of milk. And we're going to whisk it together. And we're going to be brushing it out. We are already preheating our oven. So we'll be taking it into the oven and allow it to bake for 15 minutes in 180 degrees. Come and look at this. Our croissant is ready. Please try this recipe. Thank you for staying with us till now. Please do give us a thumbs up, share, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell. God bless you till we see you again. Sign out. Bye.